Mary Beth.
I am Helen. And we are adding a quick video. We're already in the car, but you're going to go back in time when we're done this little video to the beginning of our trip. But we just wanted to cover one thing very quickly. Because I cannot really talk about it very much. A lot of you have noticed that we have been talking about one dog instead of two. We lost Spike at the beginning of July. So we're down a member now. And we didn't say anything because, as you can see, we can't do it. We have a very hard time talking about it. We just can't talk about it, and we knew we were going to be seeing a lot of you guys in person. And we really don't want to be unprofessional or rude and just go off in the corner and start crying. So, you can see Drew. She's in the back seat going, "Oh my God, they're crying again." Again. He was the love of our lives, and he was our best boy. It was very, very sudden and very, very unexpected, and we just didn't want to say anything right away because, as you can see, we just can't talk about it. We still can't talk about it, but a lot of you were asking, didn't Spike get to go to New Jersey Sheep Bowl? So no, he did not. And thank you everybody who has said something, because I think I answered most of you to explain why we weren't talking about him. We just wanted to cover it, and
Because you're going to be seeing things where it's only Drew.
right, and so that's what happened, and that is why summer of 2021 was not our best.
Right.
And now on to happier things. We are on our way to the Flying Needles Yarn Shop, and we're going to have a great trunk show.
Yes.
So can't wait to see you guys there.
Yes. Please come see us if you're in the Williamsburg, Virginia area.
Yeah. Bye. It is Thursday, September 16th. Time for another adventure. We are headed to Williamsburg, Virginia, to the Flying Needles for the James River Crawl. This is our U-Haul trailer. It is packed with yarn. All the yarn is in the back there. There are the ladies to hold our samples. And we're bringing fabric, displays. So we're coming for you, Virginia. So we start each of these trips by me and Drew go off for a walk first, so that she can get everything she needs to get done prior to a very long day in the car. And then Mary Beth will come and pick us up along the way. So Drew and I have started walking to Virginia. Our chariot has arrived, and we are on our way. Okay, we are in the car. We are on our way. Good morning, everyone. Driver, trusty companion, passenger. We are on our way to get some breakfast, some bagels, and then we are really on our way for good. So
Williamsburg, here we come.
Right, we are hoping it's 10 o'clock, just about on the dot in the morning, and we are hoping, if Mary Beth doesn't hit these people, that we will get to the Flying Needles at about 5 o'clock this afternoon.
I would like to point out that there is absolutely no way I was going to hit anybody. Helen is just being cruel.
Whatever. We are leaving the island.
Look what they're putting in the gas station.
Look what they're putting in the gas station. That brand new building. That used to be a gas station for the longest time. Okay, we are crossing the Delaware into Delaware of all places. This is one of my least favorite bridges. They're always doing construction on it, which
Gives me the most faith in it.
right. So, gives me the heebie-jeebies as we cross. And from one of my favorite movies, the good news is the fall will kill us. So look at that. Look at that construction. Does that really make you feel safe? Like there are pieces of the bridge missing.
Probably not the best thing to point out to the driver.
I probably shouldn't be talking about this as Maryland's across the bridge goes. There's the Delaware River. Does anybody else hate driving behind like a camper or a truck or whatever because you can't see in front of them? I like to be able to plan all sorts of disasters, and if I can't see what's going on in front of me, kind of bothers me. Does it bother you?
A little bit.
I mean, it does now. Okay, so we have officially left New Jersey. We are in the state of Delaware.
It is 12:10 p.m.
12:10 p.m. Our arrival now.
Do you know where your toads are?
According to GPS, our arrival time is 4:27, but that will continue to get pushed out because we have not stopped for bathroom breaks for anybody yet. We'll be back in 5 minutes when we're done with Delaware and moving into Maryland. I always feel like somebody's watching me. So we just stopped to wake everybody up, most importantly, water everybody, and
Need you to put your hand down.
left and my hand was in the way. But we are now all awake and we are going to have some lunch. And we now are at an arrival of 5 o'clock on the dot, which will probably get extended yet again because we still have 4 hours left, and I'm guessing we're gonna have to stop again. Look at that sky. Very foreboding, but also gorgeous. Oh, under the bridge.
Fredericksburg, Maryland.
Virginia.
Fredericksburg, Virginia, not Maryland. I don't know what I'm talking about.
We are driving through Fredericksburg, Virginia. We have about an hour and a half left of our journey. We are now at an ETA of 5:30. Hopefully we can just keep going and no more stops. The sky was just too much to pass up. Had to get that in. We've been chatting and making plans. So we talked our way. I said, did we go drive through Baltimore? Did we talk our way through Baltimore? So
Just imagine us rubbing our hands together, making plans.
making plans. So, based on the last little snippet of video, you would think that we wouldn't be surprised with the turn of events in the weather. But oh look, it's raining.
fluffy gray clouds. Keep your water to yourself. Just be cute and fluffy. You don't have to cry. We have made it through the rain. Isn't there a song? Made it through the rain. I can see clearly now the rain is gone. Or should I just say that? No, that's okay. Sure. I can see clearly now the rain is gone. That's all. That wasn't bad.
In 10 miles, take exit 234 onto State Route 199 towards Lightfoot.
So we are about 18 miles outside of Williamsburg. The rain has stopped. Look at this gorgeous off 95. And I love those guys. Beautiful road. Look, James City. James City. We are just looking forward to getting out of the car at this point.
Butt hurts.
Everybody's rear end is sore.
I've been sitting for too long.
We've been sitting for too long. So Drew is looking forward to getting out and having a walk. We're looking forward to getting out and stretching our legs and unloading the trailer and getting things set up for tomorrow. Look at these clouds.
Remember the last time you said that?
With the traffic
you were gonna
lights,
say that.
use the right lane to turn onto John Tile Highway towards Richmond.
It's not supposed to rain here until 9 o'clock tonight. We will be safe and secure in our Airbnb. It's 8 p.m. We just finished setting up. Look at that moon. It's a dark and stormy night in Williamsburg, Virginia. Good Friday morning. We are just here to show you that we hit the jackpot with our Airbnb this time around. This is the view. There's an raised back deck, and this is the view from the deck. And you can hear all the wildlife. I'm going to be quiet so you can just hear and enjoy. And yes, Mary Beth is proud of the wildlife. Have a great weekend, everybody. Go forth and create, and we'll talk to you Monday.